convention center here in Pope John Paul II. Right here, next, the back of Landers. It's by Landers, guys. They have a bike show here. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. So they have all kinds of bikes here. So you can see different models. And they also sell shirts. If you want to get a shirt and jackets, and they have boots and helmet. This bike, Bullet. Where is he now? Why so serious? I'm not serious. Is that a Street Glide like yours? It's like your bike before. Street Glide with two. Yeah? Harley Davidson. And when you come in here, you have to you have to pay entrance fee. I think it's 150 pesos. That's 1,732,000 pesos. Right. This one, this is simple. This is not, it's 809,000. You wanna buy it? Huh?
It's a Pan American.
That's a nice one, the blue.
That's nice, yeah.
That one, the blue is nice.
Million.
Can we even walk close to it? That bike is nice. It's big. It's 100. Oh no, it's 1,283,000 pesos. For the yeah. They have they sell parts. And they have a shirt here. You can buy a t-shirt, Motor Harley Davidson, and helmet. They sell hat. Nice. They have more. They have more here. Okay, let me stop for a moment, guys. I'll record another video soon. Let me have a break first. Bye. So guys, I'm gonna show you another bike here. This bike is not that expensive. They're like a little over 100,000 pesos. This one is nice, guys. You can scan that. That's the brand of the bike. I like this one. It's white color, pretty color. You know? This is liquid cool and 155cc, I think, cylinder. This one, I like the top box. It has a cute top box. You have another here. And stock. This one is Baja. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like a sports bag. It's like a sports bag to me. This one, I like this one. Hunter, 150. That's a big bike. Where are they? Where are they?
They're right there.
Huh? I didn't see them.
They're right there. We got you right now. Let's go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. They're just a little ahead.
Excuse me.
Oh, we're over there. We're over there. See PJ's big body. Keep going straight. He's over there. He's over there. They are. They're way over there.
That's a nice bike, right? Look like that one. That bike is different.
Nice bike.
Colorful. I like that bike.
Hello, buddy.
That's a pretty bike. It's a colorful one.
Oh, look, 300.
Huh?
It's a 300.
What's
It's bigger
300?
than the PCX.
300, what does that mean?
That's the size of the motor, the size of the bike.
That's
It's
the
actually
size of
faster.
the bike?
It's actually faster than my fucking PCX. And
Yeah?
it's single fork in the front.
Yeah?
Fork in the back. But you can't hike nobody. It's a single seat.
It's a single seat? But you can extend, you can extend a rack in there, right?
There, yeah. It's got a mono.
Put an
It's got a mono
extension.
shock in the middle. Kind of cool. It's fast. It's a fast little bike.
It's cute, I can ride that one.
I can tell you this. Got a little bit of dirt on it.
That's easy to ride.
Yeah.
I can ride it. Right here. Access Plus Group.
I think it's Italian Jet. That's what it's called. Italian Jet. Maybe.
Italjet.
Maybe.
That has strong motor. You drive fast.
Maybe. I can't see the road.
They're gone now. Did you take pictures of it?
Hicks.
Huh?
Faster than Keith Hicks.
Yeah.
And four strokes, single glove, one shoulder, belt drive.
It's faster than your P6?
It's electric.
It's electric.
Yeah,
It's not gas. You're gonna use gas?
it's electric.
Oh. So they're gone now. Oh, they're here. They're here. They're back. Look at them. Look who that is. They passed us. Look. DJ and Walter. Oh, they passed us now. Walter is carrying the paper for the motorcycle. There he is. Look at this.
Oh, they gotta go out that way. They were trying to go out right here. They didn't
Oh, they wanna go out now?
I don't know why.
Are they done?
There they go, there they go. They gotta go to the other one. They gotta go to the last one. They don't want to stay
I
here.
think they're done.
Yeah.
They're done.